You have to trust me on this. But when you can get cool, calm, collected with your follow-up, and you do it without emotion, you almost become like Sully Sullivan, the guy that landed the plane on the Hudson River. We're going to go ahead and land on the Hudson. Right? This is the tower. Say again. Yeah, we're going in the Hudson. Right? Would you like a runway at Teterboro? Negative. Unable. Would you like a runway at Kennedy? Unable. We'll be in the Hudson. Right? When you can become Sully Sullivan, you are going to start landing deals. You're going to land them on the runway. You're going to land them in the Hudson. You're going to land them in a field. You're going to start closing all of your deals. Here's the other thing that I need you guys to do, and I need you to be honest with yourself. Is follow-up something that you have it down to a science, where you say exactly the same thing every time? Less is more. Have your follow-up very simple. If you're waiting for a contract to be signed, my recommendation to you is, hey Nancy, Matt Easton with Easton University calling to see if it makes sense to sign that agreement. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Right? And now to the point made earlier, I'm not going to call Nancy back tomorrow. I'm going to call Nancy back in a week or whatever my schedule says. And by the way, I have a schedule and I'm following that schedule and I'm taking the emotion out of it. I'm not, I really need this deal with Nancy. I'm going to call her every day until she gets a restraining order or buys from me. No, Nancy's following my process. And if I find that my process is broken, guess what I do? Like my good friend Jeff Bezos, I adjust the process. I don't do things organically and individually for each customer. I don't develop a process for each customer. That's not how Amazon became big. Amazon became big by going, what's the process that every customer is going to follow, right? And in a week, guess what? I'm going to leave the exact same message for Nancy. Where so many people screw up is they think this is theater. They think they're being scored on originality. And they put a bunch of bullshit, a bunch of fluff, a bunch of gobbledygook in their follow-up. Which is why they stop doing it really quickly. Because that sucks. That's difficult. Nobody wants to spend their day going, hey, happy Wednesday to you. Hope you had a long extended weekend, being fake friends with people. I want you guys to be like a brain surgeon. Hey, calling to see if it makes sense to get this in front of the board. Calling to see if it makes sense for us to do a trial of the software. Right? Cool, calm, collected. You guys need to have a cadence. We talk about it in Easton University, the cadence of when you do things.